Namaste Bhatia, I am Dr. Sachin Gupta, HOD of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JBW. I am teaching you Crataegus medicine in the Materia Medica practical session. This Crataegus medicine is known in our homeopathy as a heart tonic, and this is a wonderful medicine which acts in every heart trouble. It produces giddiness, lowered pulse, and air hunger and reduction in blood pressure. So we can say in heart troubles, if there is a low BP condition, we can use Crataegus medicine. It also act on muscles of heart. If there is a weakness in the heart muscles, if heart is not working well, we can prescribe Crataegus medicine, and it, it is known as heart tonic. No influence on the endocardium. The main problem is myocardium. There is no influence on the endocardium. So it is helpful in the myocarditis, failing compensation, irregularity of heart, insomnia of aortic sufferers, anemia, edema, and cutaneous chilliness. There is high arterial tension. Crataegus is a sedative in cross irritable patient with cardiac symptoms. It is also useful in the chronic heart disease with extreme weakness, very feeble and irregular heart action, general anasarca, where nervous, very nervous, with pain in back of head and neck, collapse of typhoid, hemorrhage from bowels, cold extremities, pallor, irregular pulse and breathing, painful sensation of pressure in left side of chest below the clavicle, dyspepsia and nervous prostration with heart failure. In the beginning of heart mischief after rheumatism, arteriosclerosis, said to have a solvent power upon crustaceous and calcareous deposits in the arteries. This symptom is the PQRS symptom of Crataegus medicine, in which Dr. Borick said that it is act as a solvent on the crustaceous and calcareous deposit in the arteries. So if we find that in the heart or arteries there is some deposition of crustaceous or calcareous kind of deposit, this medicine will help to dissolve them, and by dissolving them there is benefit in the circulation. So it is a good medicine in after surgeries or before surgeries with the ballooning or stunt conditions. If anyone have anyone going for the angioplasty and any other condition of the heart where there is a deposition, we can prescribe that medicine after angioplasty or after watching angiography. In the head, there is apprehensive, despondent, very nervous and irritable with pain in back of head and neck. In the urinary complaints, there is diabetes, especially in the children. Main core of the medicine is heart. In the exams, examiner will ask about heart condition, that in that cardiac dropsy, fatty degeneration, aortic diseases, extreme dyspnea on least exertion like digitalis, and without much increase of pulse, pain in region of heart and under left clavicle, heart muscle seems flabby, worn out, coughing, heart dilated, first sound very weak, pulse accelerated, irregular, feeble, intermittent, valvular murmurs, angina pectoris, cutaneous chilliness, newness of fingers and toes. It looks like cyanosed condition, all aggravated by exertion or excitement. Sustains heart and infectious diseases. Excessive perspiration, skin eruptions, etc. Insomnia due to erotic condition. Worse in the warm room, better in the fresh air or quiet or rest. We can compare it with NASA, Cactus Z, Digitalis, Strophanthus, Ivoris, etc. Doses are in low triturations or mother tincture. So these are the symptoms of Crataegus medicine and compare and contrast. You can read that and ask anything about that in problem solving session. Reference is taken from Boric Materia Medica. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it on problem solving day. Thank you.